2.5M for a 100 square meter lot with 3 bedrooms? Baka maunahan ka dito. Check this out. Bank Close single attached inner lot sa Barangay Navarro, General Trias, Cavite. As is where is, 100 square meter lot area, 52 square meter floor area. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 to 2 car garage. 2,566,700 only. Why worth it? Malaki ang 100 square meter lot area for this price, plus 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and parking. May space ka for your family, additional outdoor area, or future improvements. And hindi mo kailangan bayaran lahat agad. 20% down payment, then 80% in-house loan up to 10 years. As is where is, and limited ang Bank Close properties. Kung pasok sa budget mo, message us now bago maunahan. Free house tour assistance available. This is Jean Puig, PRC accredited real estate salesperson. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!